friends, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, a warm welcome. This channel is dedicated to hair and beauty, and if that's your thing, please stick around and hit the subscribe button. And if you're returning, oh my gosh, my day ones, Jayam. Alright, so in today's video we are going to have a tutorial on how to do a halo braid, and it's my first time, so I hope it goes well. Alright, let's check it out. So here I have washed hair, it's air dried, and what we're gonna do is we're going to moisturize with cable. As usual, the rest of the moisturizer we are going to focus on the ends of the hair, because that's where the hair is more prone to breakage. Alright, so first up, get yourself a ribbon and section your hair into the front and the back. The line doesn't have to be straight because it's going to just be covered up. And then what we're gonna do now is brush the back. No, actually, let's first tie this. I think you're gonna need 2 ribbons for this. And then just comb it with a white tooth comb. And in areas where your hair is, what do they call this? It's tangled. Use your fingers before using the comb because it's more gentle. So, grab you the second ribbon. Just have it here on hand, and next up I'm going to guys, I'm sorry if I sound like I'm in a rush because I actually am. This is I'm gonna use the Hairstyle. Okay, actually before I put it on, let me just go in with a brush just so it's sleeked down properly. And I'm gonna tie it up in a pony, and I'm gonna make sure that it is not all the way down because the halo braid is gonna go through it. But before I tie it, I take my Hairstyle. And if you have shorter hair, guys, what I've seen on the streets of YouTube is that they section it. You see now it's like 2 sections. So what they would do is like they would section it maybe 4 sections depending on how short your hair is, and they would section it into 4, sometimes even 5 sections, and apply the styling gel per section. And what they say is it sleeks the hair better that way for shorter hair. So yeah, guys, and I've seen like shorter hair, like hair that won't even, when stretched out, won't be in a pony. I've seen YouTubers use Hairstyle to sleek it down section by section, and yeah. Then with the section on top, I want to do a side part. This is just clearly dependent on you, on what you prefer. You can do a middle part, or you can do a side part like me, or you can just have like a pushback of all your hair. to define it, you can just apply styling gel on the part. This helps with really making sure that the line is as straight as they come. And what I'm gonna do now is I'm going to brush the hair in the direction that I want it to join this ponytail at the back. Just gonna go in with the styling gel. I think I'm gonna leave a little bit. This is a lot, but yeah. And I'm gonna brush this other side as well. Apply styling gel. So next up, we are going to braid our braiding hair. The hair is here in front. I'm gonna use styling gel to lay the edges, but now we are going to braid our darling braiding hair. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll see you guys in the next video. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Bye.